I am happy to share my journey with Evision Technoserve. I am lakmipapdti from Odisha. I have completed my M.Tech in Information Technology in Utkala University Bhubaneswar 2019. I am searching job in IT company. Then I am hear about Evision Technoserve and their OTT program. Then I am decided to join Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is a IT recruitment and consultancy company. I was get real-time experience and work exposure in core technology like CCNA, Windows Administrator, and Linux Administrator. There were different modules for different training. He is Rahul Das sir, Vibhushit sir, Roshan sir, and Tarun sir. In Windows Administrator, I am learn about disk management, event viewer, and BitLocker and MS Outlook. Along with that, I am learn in CCNA. In CCNA, I am learn about IP addressing and cabling, default routing, static routing, and dynamic routing, and black screen error, BOCD error. They also provide mock interview session. Now I am so much confidence about my interview. In interview session, they are also provide how to work in ITIL, what is SLA, what is severity, what is OLA. Now I have so much confidence about my interview and how to crack my interview. I have so much confidence. And lastly, thank you Evision for giving me such confidence. Thanks a lot.